So we bought 6 sets of Alex drawers from IKEA. We asked some people, what do you think would be an interesting way to put them together? Almost everybody said blindfolded. So that's what we did. We've already done one each blindfolded and both thoroughly enjoyed it. It was so meditative, being in the moment, feeling what you're doing. I really wanted to do it again, and then we're going to challenge some people to do it. Here we go. Alex draws blindfold.
I'm lost and I can't find a way. Oh, all the lights going dark and my hopes destroyed.
Oh, that might be all the bits. Okay. Wait. Hang on, we're missing the back. And that's obviously all cardboard. I've lost a piece already. Yes!
Calling out Mayday. Calling out Mayday. It's so dark out here inside.
I'm trying to work out which side is which. This side's a bit squeakier. I'm gonna get this side is white. This is something that's really bizarre. When you're blindfolded, it's really, really difficult to tell if this is straight, if this is a 90-degree angle. Also really hard to tell if it's in properly. Okay, so those angles were not very straight. Maybe they're too much on an angle. Maybe these are, oh, yes. First draw!
Calling out Mayday. Calling out Mayday. Far from the sun, beyond stars, I hear their song. They're coming closer, talking without sound, calling me home. Calling out Mayday. Calling out Mayday. Save me. I'm running out of air. I'm running out of air. I'm running out of air. I'm running out of air.
Okay, take off your blindfold.
Oh my gosh, everything's really bright. Oh my gosh! Look how straight I got all the lines. Going from just seeing it in your mind and then taking the blindfold off, and it's a physical thing. It's a really, really satisfying moment. It's really strange, but it's really satisfying. I made that without looking. And look how straight the lines are. This is the straightest one I've done yet. Okay, I'm going to check how I did with the floors. They're all upside down, aren't they? At least it was consistent.
Yep, consistency is key. It works. The method works. There is a way to tell if they're the right way up without looking.
I'm really proud. Like, okay, that's not ideal. That's not great. Better. I feel like I like the brown floors. That's good contrast. I think we should leave it like that. It'd be easy to see your clothes. You'll be like, brown? I must need to do washing. We don't need to change it. We need to change it. That's really cool. I would highly, highly recommend doing that. It's a really satisfying feeling. You're actually having to make a mental picture of where things are instead of just looking for them. Like when you're sorting, you get faster because you start to have muscle memory rather than looking at things. Yeah, I recommend it.